Welcome to Section 10. More programs too. We start with a string manipulation technique, reversing a string. 1. Reviewing string slicing. Recall that string slicing uses the format square bracket start colon and colon step square bracket. We use the first two arguments to extract substrings. The third argument, step, controls the direction and size of the jump. 2. Reversing with step -1. To reverse an entire string, we use the special slicing syntax, ::-1. The first two arguments, start and end, are omitted, which defaults them to the beginning and the end of the string, respectively. By setting the step to -1, Python iterates through the string backwards. 3. The traditional approach. For comparison, achieving the same result using a traditional for loop is much more verbose. It requires initializing an empty string and concatenating characters from the original string in reverse order. While functional, it is less readable than slicing. To summarize, string slicing with the step of -1 is a practice for reversing strings in Python. It's concise, readable, and faster than manually writing a loop. Our next lecture 10.02. Reverse using split and join. See you there.